Hi everyone, today we are going to see cat command in Linux operating system. So first of all, let's see what cat command do. Cat command will open the file and show you the text file content. Sorry, there is no file over here. Let's create the file using cat command. First.txt and I'm typing this is first line. Saving by Control D. Right now you can see there is one file over here. Let's open that file by using cat command. Right now you can see the file content. Let's create another file. Name as a second.txt and this is second line. Saving by Control D. So these are two files get created. Let's combine them each other. So I'm typing a cat first.txt, second.txt and typing a third.txt. Doing ls. I'm opening that file, so you will see the two file content get combined in third.txt. So this is how the cat command works. Thank you so much.